Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would be reviewing the BH Cosmetic Foil 28 color eyeshadow palette, and I ordered this product from US and it costed me around $16. This is also available in India, and to check this product description and the link will be listed down below. I've been really impressed by this quality and the pigmentation of this product, and I would be swatching all these shades from this palette, and I would be reviewing individual these two rows from this palette. The first shade is this medium brown with warm undertone, and this shade is very beautiful. As you can see, it is light brown, and especially for Indians this shade is very good. And the next shade is we have it's medium dark and orange copper with warm undertone. It looks very beautiful on the skin. Next we have the bright sunshine yellow, slightly darker than the other yellow in the palette, and it had a good pigmentation with smooth and lightly firm in texture. Next up we have this bright pop-up of medium blue with cool undertones and metallic finish. This is a very pigmented with the creamy and smooth texture. Next we have this bright purple color. As you can see, the texture is very soft, and it also looks very creamy in texture. Then we have this medium dark plum with warm undertones and a frosted sheen. It seems to have a few sparkle in it, and even this looks very good on your skin. Then we have this light medium pink with cool blue undertone, and this color I think I can use this for my highlighter as well. So yeah. Then next we have this gray metallic shimmer kind of eyeshadow, and this eyeshadow is also very light in shade. It's a warm undertone, and as you can see, this it is lighter than this, and you can just compare this and this, and this looks almost similar but lighter. Then we have this medium dark golden orange with warm undertone, and even this looks good. Then we have this gorgeous sunshine yellow with warm undertone. As you can see, this color has very beautiful in texture, and I don't see any fallout till now. Next we have this dark gray color, and this color is very creamy, and I can use this color for my smoky eyes. Up next we have this purple shade, and this shade is little darker than the other colors, but this looks like a more of a dark blue color. Next we have this light brown color, and it's in the warm undertone. As you can see that most of the color looks similar. As you can see, this and this looks almost similar color. The last shade from the second row is the peachy beige with warm undertone, and it is a frosty finish. Now I would be doing only the swatches of this eyeshadow.